How to specify number Jitclass when the class's attribute contains another class instance. I'm trying to use Numba to boost the Python performance of scipy.integrate.odeint. To this end, I have to use nbjit, not Python equals true, for the function defining the ode system. However, this function has to take another Python class instance as an argument in my program. I had to jit the class also with @nb_jitclass spec, with appropriate specs. This worked fine, until I found a serious issue when the specs of the class includes another type of class instance as its method. My code is following. In summary, so here class A is my ode solver. To compile the method ode system with Numba, it must not a class method. So I made another function outside of the class _ode system. Unfortunately, however, my ode system has to have a class instance as an argument. Hence I used Jitclass to compile the class instance argument properly. I again encountered another problem, where this class dummy also takes another type of class instance as one of its attribute. I have no idea how to set spec for this class. I tried the type 4 dummy one with nb typeof, hi, but it didn't work. Please help me. Thanks in advance.
You can use .class_type.instance_type in your spec definition for holding an instance of another type. See example in the Numba source tree here.
Jitclass